everyone, so today we are unboxing this Sence advent calendar. I unboxed this advent calendar last year. This advent calendar here is actually from Boots and it retails for £25, but at the minute it is on offer for £18, so it is an under £20 advent calendar. It has a very nice Christmassy design. It's really pretty. I love it. And then on the back you've got, on the side you've got like candy cane style. Oh, I love Christmas. And then on the back you've got like what you may be getting in this advent calendar. This is a bath and body advent calendar and I'm really excited about opening it. So for the price that it is at the minute, which is £18.75, and it is a 24-day advent calendar, it works out at 78 pence a day. And then on, if it's full price at £25, it works out about £1 a day, obviously. Yeah, so, and anyways, we're going to unbox it. Oh, so it's this way. Oh, so you have it like that. How pretty is that? So you have it like that, where it says winter warm wishes, and you just lift it up and open it like that. That is really pretty, but I'm gonna totally trash it and turn it that way. And I'm gonna unbox it with you. And anyways, so I'm so excited. So we want day number 1. 70 odd pence a day, remember. We have got a Holly Jolly hand cream. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's in such cute Christmas packaging. I love that. I absolutely love that. So it's quite a runny texture of a hand cream. I'm going to rub it in, and anyways, it's definitely got a Christmas scent. Like, it's got like a mint to it. It really does. I'm quite excited about that. I'm funny with hand cream, so I hope it doesn't set me off, hands off, but if not, I can use it on my feet. But it's so cute. I love that it's Christmas packaging. Love that. So that was day number 1. We want day number 2, which is down here. We have got the body butter, and I think it's in the same mistletoe kisses scent. That's what they're calling it. How cute is that? I love that it's in Christmassy scent. This is a 50ml body butter as well. We want day number 3, which is the tiniest little door here. We have got what I think is a hairband, like a Christmas style hair bubble. It's actually quite good quality, even at the 70 something pence, though I'm not so sure. It's like just not something that I would use as a hairband. Well, I may do, but it's just not really my cup of tea. But you might like it. But yeah, I think that was like our first kind of dud day. So that was 3. We want 4, which is down here. We have got another Winter Wishes shower gel. And how cute is this packaging? I can't wait just to have this in my bathroom. I'm not even that excited about using it, but just in my bathroom for the cute Christmas packaging. Yeah, it smells lovely. It looks like that kind of thick, gloopy kind of texture, which isn't normally my favourite shower gels. But for the price, you know, for the price. Right, so we got 4. We want day number 5, which is up here. We have got the sugar and spice and everything nice face scrub. Oh, I don't know how I feel about using like them on my face. I'll try it though, and let's have a smell. Kind of got that on my lips because they so struggle to open. So that is the face scrub texture there. So it's actually very mild. Oh, I love the scent of that. That's my favourite scent. I'm not sure how I feel about using it on my face, but I would use that on my body. It's very mild and gentle either way. Like a gentle, it's not very gritty or anything. So that's day number 5. We want day number 6, which is here. We've got something that's fell from another door. I'm just going to poke that back there, and we're going to put this. Oh, give me strength. Yeah, so something's poking from another door there. But on day number 6, we have got little nail stickers. I actually love them. I love them. They're so cute. And I will probably use them. But yeah, that is like another kind of gimmicky day, isn't it? We want day number 7, which is up here. We looks like a fragrance. So I love a fragrance. We have got, yep, a Candy Kisses body mist. Oh, let's have a smell. Oh yes, very like a hint of a mint with pine. I really like that scent, to be honest, but I do prefer the red scent over this one. But I love that we got a body mist that is 30ml. I'm really happy with that day. So we want 7, that was 7. We want day number 8, which is right near it. I'm going to lose my nails by the looks of it. It's a very hard advent calendar to get into. We have got in that Candy Kisses, is it Candy Kisses? Mistletoe Kisses, sorry. In the Mistletoe Kisses, are we there? Is that a different scent? No, Mistletoe Kisses. So in the Mistletoe Kisses scent, we have got a body scrub. Look at the packaging. I just think the packaging's so cute. I'm going to have this in my bathroom at Christmas time. The packaging itself is just winning for me. So that was day number 8. We got day number 9, which is down here. We have got, I don't know what he is. I think he's a Christmas decoration. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, I think he's like an ornament for your tree. If you had like a tree for your kids, I think this would be so cute. And I'm not mad at that, to be honest. I'm very particular with my tree. But I have got like a little mini tree, which is like for the kids, even though they're not kids anymore. And I think this could go on it. So yeah, I definitely think that's like a little ornament. But you could even put that on presents as like a present topper. You know how people put toppers on the presents? I think that's cute. But not something I'm overly excited about, you know. So that's 9. We want to day number 10. I think at the age range this is aimed at, though, I think that would be a good day. Right, 10, we've got something in the other scent, which is, oh no, this is a Merry Cherry scent, so it's different. And it is the foot cream. So let's have a smell of this Merry Cherry scent. If I can get it open. This on this hand. Oh God, it doesn't want to stop coming out. Right, so the Merry Cherry scent is on this hand, even though it's a foot cream, but you know. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Absolutely love that. Oh no, the other one is called Merry Cherry. So the red one's Merry Cherry. I thought that was cinnamony. No, you can definitely smell the cherry. That's why I love it. Yeah, I love that. So that was 10. We want 11 in this here. We have got a shampoo. We've got the Holly Jolly Mistletoe Kisses scent shampoo. Personally, I probably won't use this, and that could just be maybe, well, I may try it, but personally, I probably wouldn't. But I think the other half would use this. He doesn't care what shampoo. And I love the packaging. And, you know, you never know. I mean, it could be good. I could be just judging it, you know, because it's a cheap advent calendar. So, you know, this could be our next favourite. But, yeah, I love that it's got the Christmas packaging. And like I say, the other half, he would use anything. So, it won't go to waste. That was day number 11. We want day number 12, which is this big square up here. We have got foot crystals, relaxing formula in the Merry Cherry scent, and I think I may have ripped the packet when I was getting it out. But that is it there. I feel like it could have been a little bit bigger. It's only 40 grams. I feel like maybe they could have stretched. Yeah, I have ripped it. Stretched it, it'll be like maybe 80 grams or something like that. Just double the size. But yeah, it's all right. We want day number 13, which is up here. A hair mask, and this is in the Merry Cherry scent. Let's have a look at the texture of this hair mask. So it looks quite like a gloppy texture. I don't know whether you can see that. It smells lovely, but like it doesn't have anything on what it says. Oh wait, it says it's a smoothing formula. So we have a hair mask, good little size, 50ml. But it's whether you would use these products on your hair. Like younger me, I would use anything. As I've got older, I'm a bit picky. So, you know, but again, I have to remember that the age range that this is aimed at. So that's 13. We're on day number 14, which is here. We have got a loofah. Oh, this has got to be the saddest loofah I've ever seen in my life. I think it's seen better days. I feel like this is a quarter of a loofah. Yeah, that is got to be the saddest loofah I've ever seen in my life. But that was day 14. We went to day number 15. Down here, it's just a little skinny one. I don't know whether you can see. Oh, we've got the most prettiest. If I don't break it, this is going to go in my bag at Christmas time. The most prettiest nail file. Red's my favourite colour. It's sparkly. Then you've got the nail file there. It's really bonny. It's just a cheap filler item. But I do like a little bit of a cuteness, and I love that. That was day number 15. We went day number 16, which is up here. Oh, we've got nothing! It's lost! Yep, we've lost 15. It's in here somewhere. So, we'll find it. So, we'll go to 16. Right, where is 16? No, we go to 17, sorry, because we've lost day number 16. So we go to 17, and this is here. We have got the little face mask, and it is in, it's in the warm orange scent. This one is in a different scent. Little size, mind you, only 8 mil. We want day number 18, which is here. We have got, I'm assuming, a little foot bath fizzer. This is just a little fizzer in the shape of a foot. It is so cute. It has a smell. You can smell it. Right, so we want day number 19, which is down here, which is a big square. Oh, wait, we've got something. But I'm not sure whether this is 16. But we have got an extra product in this door. But like I said, I don't know whether that is 16 because it doesn't look like it would fit 16. So I'm going to put that there for now. We have got a sugar and spice and everything. Nice bath crystals. I love that. So cute. Really, just like I said before, I think maybe they should have been a double the size. So we want day number 20. Which is up here. I'm just going to rip from the side. We have got a random thing. It looks like a ring. This is definitely aimed at younger people, this advent calendar. This is giving me such Christmas vibes though. So we have got like a little moon and star ring. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's quite cute actually. Yeah, but I feel like that's given really hints of what age range this is aimed at. I love this for the age range it's aimed at, to be honest. So that's 20. We want 21, which is here. Please be in its thing. We have got a little soap star. It smells really nice. Cute. We want day number 22, which is here. We have got the day cream, so face cream, and it's in the warm orange scent. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. It doesn't really, it says it's a softening formula. It has the ingredients on and everything like that, so we want 23, which is here. And we're missing 23. So we've definitely got, we've got a random product hanging about here though. So maybe that's the 2 days that we're missing. I'm going to put them there. So we're missing 2 days, but we've got 2 products that weren't in days. So 24, our last day is a candle holder, I think, and it's quite weighty. It's like a star, and I'm assuming it's like for the long, tall candles. Little candle holder. I think that's really quite pretty, actually. Yeah, that is it there. I quite like that. Last year's, and then for the 2 days that we're missing, we've got more stickers. I feel like these are more stickers than nail stickers. And then another ornament. So we got all the products apart from 2. It kind of fell out their slot. And I do feel like last year's calendar was a lot better. I must admit, I feel like it had bigger bath bombs, things like that. I'm sure it was the same calendar that I'm thinking of. But for the age range it's aimed at, it's got such cute packaging. I love the packaging. And the loofah was very sad, mind you. And I'm happy I only paid 18 and not the 25. But I do understand the age range it's aimed at. And it was okay, but I wouldn't say rush out and buy it. If you know somebody like a young girl or a young boy who loves Christmas and loves Christmassy packaging, I think then maybe. But yeah, it's not something that I would say, woo, you know, go and get. It's not like a value for your money. But I mean, I'm so excited to have these cute little Christmassy design packaging bottles out in my bathroom, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, that is the Sence Advent Calendar from Boots. I'll have it linked down below because it is only £18. You don't get a lot for £18 at the minute. And if you're looking for something for somebody who's young and you don't want it to be makeup, I think this may be a one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love to be subscribed down below. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!